Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Do you ever go to the hairdresser and you really love how it feels when they scrub your hair and wash it? That's the exact same experience you will get with this brush from ScalpLuv. This silicone brush is really cool and functional. You can keep it in the shower all the time, and I really love it because it really works in my shampoo and conditioner as I wash my hair. It also works outside of the shower, so you can use it on wet hair as well as dry hair. It really promotes hair growth. I've seen a difference from the past month of using this product, and I love it because it's easy to clean, it's easy to hold while you're using it to scrub your hair. You can really get into the back part of your scalp or on the top, anywhere that you just need a little extra scalp love. The bristles look like they would be really hard, but actually up close you can see that they're soft. So it just gives you a really nice scrubby experience that you'll find really relaxing, as well as great for your scalp. I have a little bit of psoriasis on the back of my scalp, and this provides me with so much relief. If you're looking for a simple tool that will be great for your hair and actually feels awesome every time you use it, then go with this little brush. And that's my point of view.